Hello, beautiful family. I hope you're doing well. Yes, today we have this worldwide opportunity about jobs. Okay, so the website is Free Up. I'm gonna share with you how you can be freelancer on this website and get money. Okay, Free Up is freelancer marketplace dedicated to connect businesses owner with talented freelancer and remote worker all over the world. So you can see you can work from anywhere, you can work remotely, and regardless which country you are. Okay, so we believe that freelancing is the future of businesses, and we're dedicated to build the best community for freelancer possible. So there is difference where you can be a freelancer here. I'm gonna show you in a minute, but if you want, you can start even get a job. You can get actually permanent job to these openings they have on this free app breezy.r. All right, and then you see here there is content writer. You can be content writer here. As you can see, if you click here, it says they are recruiting worldwide. So now you can see that is one of the position they have. They have other position, guys. Here it's to be a writer in the United States. You can see this is remote customer service representative. They have so many things, but guys, so you can also be a freelancer. You can see freelancing online contract worker. You can click here and see freelancer job is available here. Okay, and they are looking for freelancer all over the world. We believe that freelancing is the future of the business. So do you want to learn about free app? Check out their website here. So you can see they have like everything detailed here. If you want to be freelancing in this topic, maybe remote talent, web development, graphic design, customer service, copywriting, you can work with Amazon. You can even work on digital marketing. So for me, I prefer this Amazon. Actually, this is really fun. You can work with customer service representative. What type of freelancer can you find on the free app platform? You can work with product listing specialists. You can work on product sourcing experts, Amazon vendor center setup, virtual assistant, Amazon growth consultant, product photographer, and so many more. So if you want to get connected with Amazon freelancer, you can click here. All right, so this page will show up, and then you will click here freelancer. All right, so this is how you can see. You can apply through either on your LinkedIn. You can apply to this position on this website as well. So anything, by fill up your name, your password, and everything. Here there is a questions that they are asking actually. So here there is a great time to talk about previous experience in your industry. So are you solo freelancer or do you own agencies? You can tell them. If you are team or agents, how many people are you going to work with them? So they have so many questions, but they are some of the important questions. All right, this is simple one. Do you have the relevant education or certificate? This is simple as well. Do you have a digital portfolio or website to show the client? You can tell them. They say, please share your profile links or other freelancer marketplace you work on. This is important. If you have a LinkedIn, you can copy here, or other portfolio kind of. So which tool do you find yourself using the most among of this? You can, if you are using Excel, Google Drive, project management system, and so many more. Again, there is this other question, say, how long have you been working with your specific industry? So there is another one, if you could give someone new of freelancing advice and managing expectation with clients, so that everyone is pleased with the experience and customer, what will it be? So this is Very important, you have to answer this question. What do you do if you think you might miss the deadline? This is another question. What is the lowest rate you would accept per hour? So that's it. So those are the questions that you have to answer and submit your application. So you can submit your application also through LinkedIn, or you can upload your resume here. You see here, you can Indeed and then LinkedIn. So those are the way that you can apply with them. Here there is about freelancing. Here there is thousands of freelancer job opportunity posted every week. Set up your own hourly freelancer rate. Set your own work from home schedule. Work and earn much as you want freelancing, and then 24 hours support for freelancers. There is webinar resources and so many more. There is a dedicated internal team who is here to support you if you have any question. Also, job to expect by freelancing. You can see their jobs, especially this Amazon. Okay, you can work with Amazon, FBA, Amazon virtual assistant, freelancer. As you can see, you can work with all of them. All right, so now guys, if you want to become freelancer on this free app, you can go ahead and apply. And I wish you all the best. Good luck in your application. I wish everyone to get a job. That's why I share my video. Yes, if you do the same, please share with your friends. Share with them. Maybe they can get all this extra money even though they have a job. Okay, as you can see, it's simple jobs. Okay, if they tell you to work with Amazon, actually is to assist them in their activity. Being a virtual assistant is something that you have to organize. Maybe they will give you kind of data entry jobs that you can enter different data. You can take like their customer data and enter in the Excel, something like that. So it's simple, guys. I'm encouraging each and everyone here to apply to this free app and become freelancer here. Yes, start getting all this money. All the best. Happy weekend. Bye bye.